How to enter promo code on Best Buy. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily enter a promo code on Best Buy. First thing you have to do is go to bestbuy.com. Now once you head over here, you just need to select your location and log into your account. Now once you've selected your location, you can locate your item or just search for it, and then you can add your item to your cart. So I've added this phone case to my cart for now to show you guys. So let me just head over to my cart. And once you head over here, all you have to do is just find the checkout button. Now click on continue to checkout. And once you do that, you should be asked to sign in if you haven't already, but I'm just going to continue as a guest. So let me just continue with guest checkout. Here, you're just going to have to provide your email address. Then you can provide your first name, your last name, and then your phone number. Then you can just enter your address. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on continue. The next is the payment page where you have an option to add your card. But right before that, you have an option to use a gift card. So you can enter your gift card number or your promo code here and then enter the PIN for your gift card. Click on apply and you should be able to get a certain amount off of your purchase. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you use gift card on Best Buy. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.